Before buying Surfer, there are 12 key things you need to know. Whether you're considering it for content creation or SEO, understanding these factors will help you make a better informed decision. Let's dive into the details and see how Surfer compares to other AI solutions out there. The first thing to know is that Surfer is a powerful tool for content optimization. It helps you analyze the competition, suggest keyword strategies, and optimize your content for SEO. But here's the catch. While it's great for SEO, it's not the most intuitive for beginners. You might need a bit of a learning curve to fully understand how to use it effectively, unlike other tools that are more user-friendly from the start. Next thing is Surfer's pricing. It has a tiered pricing structure, which can get a bit expensive if you're just starting out or only need a few features. Compared to other AI tools, it's on the higher end. However, if you're planning to scale your business or create high-quality content regularly, the investment could pay off in the long run. The third thing to consider is Surfer's feature set. It offers great integration with Google Docs and other content management platforms, making it easy to edit and optimize content on the go. But unlike some competitors, it doesn't offer as many advanced AI-driven content generation features. So, while it's great for optimizing existing content, it's not the best for generating fresh content from scratch. The fourth thing is the learning curve. Like I mentioned before, Surfer is powerful, but it can take some time to learn how to use all of its features. This might be a bit of a downside if you're someone who wants quick results. It doesn't have the same level of simplicity that some other tools, like Copy.ai or Jasper, offer. Next, let's talk about Surfer's data-driven approach. Surfer's strength lies in its detailed data analysis. It pulls data from various sources to help you tweak your content for maximum performance. However, it can be overwhelming at times because of how much data it offers. If you prefer a simpler, more streamlined experience, other AI tools might be better suited to your needs. The sixth thing to consider is the support. Surfer offers solid customer support with a good knowledge base, but it's not as responsive as some competitors. If you run into issues, expect a delay in getting a response, which can be frustrating when you're on a tight deadline. The seventh thing is how Surfer integrates with other tools. Surfer can integrate with various platforms, including WordPress and Google Docs, but it doesn't have as many integration options as other solutions like Jasper, which can connect with a wider range of tools. This is something to think about if you use other platforms regularly. The eighth thing is the user interface. Surfer has a clean, organized layout, but it's not the most visually intuitive. Compared to competitors, it can sometimes feel a bit cluttered. If you're someone who values a sleek, easy-to-navigate interface, you might find Surfer's layout a bit overwhelming. Next, let's talk about speed. Surfer is fast when it comes to generating reports, but it's not the fastest when compared to other AI-powered SEO tools. If you're in a rush, you might notice a slight lag in processing, especially with larger data sets. The 10th thing is the accuracy of Surfer's recommendations. While it's generally accurate, there are times when it misses the mark. It's not as precise as some other AI tools when it comes to keyword recommendations, so don't solely rely on its suggestions without doing your own research. The 11th thing is Surfer's ability to scale with your business. As your business grows and you need more features or more optimization, Surfer can handle it. However, the pricing can become prohibitive as you scale, so it's worth considering if you want to stick with it long term or look for a more cost-effective option as your needs expand. Finally, the 12th thing is Surfer's overall value. It's a solid choice if you're focused on SEO optimization and content improvement, but it might not be the best all-around solution if you need AI-driven content generation or advanced features. In comparison, there are other AI tools that offer a more complete suite of features for a similar or lower price. So, is Surfer a good option for you? Absolutely, especially if you're focused on improving SEO and optimizing your content. But if you're looking for a more comprehensive tool that handles everything from content creation to automation, check out our recommended solution. You can try it for free and see if it's a better fit for your needs.